The night my marriage ended, I sat in my car in a parking lot and had no idea what to do next. Not with my kids, not with my money, not with myself. Nobody handed me a playbook for that moment. No one told me how to keep showing up as a father when your whole life is being reorganized around you. So I figured it out the hard way, and then I built what I wished existed. My name is Ryan. I am a veteran and a divorced dad, and this channel is for the man who is done surviving and ready to start rebuilding. Every week, I put out real, structured content on the 4 things that actually move the needle when you are starting over: your body, your money, your mindset, and your relationship with your kids. No hype, no victim mentality, no one telling you to just be positive. Just the real steps from a man who has been exactly where you are right now. If that is you, subscribe. Drop the word RISE in the comments on any video, and I will send you something that will help you get started today. You do not have to figure this out alone. Let's get to work.